Usage. A dictionary helps a person by telling the use of a word as well. How should it be used? Formally or informally? Example: formal, much, thank you very much. Informal, heap, thanks a heap. A dictionary is a very important tool for anyone who is learning a new language. Find the English translation of a word in your language. Check the spelling of a word. Check the plural of a noun or past tense of a verb. Find out other grammatical information about a word.
Today we are going to learn how to use a dictionary. A dictionary is a book full of words arranged in alphabetical order with their meanings.
I will tell you how to search a word in a dictionary. First, we will choose a word. I have chosen the word praise. To look for the meaning, we will have to locate the word starting with PR in dictionary. We will go through the section which contains word starting with PR. We can easily find our word till the next letter is A. Thanks.
Once we have located it, we will look for section where the next alphabet after P is R. We can do this easily by reading the two words written on the top. These words on the top are the first and the last word which are explained on that page. These are called catchwords.
We will go through the section which contains the words starting with PR. We can easily find our word till the next letter is A. Thank you.
We have to read out the meaning of the word praise from a dictionary. Just like we can look for many other difficult words in a dictionary.
The more you read, the more you know. The more you know, the smarter you grow. The smarter you grow, the more you can do. Reading is how dreams come true.